In this lecture, we will learn how to use 3D box to create a 3D model. Right now, we are in XY view. Go to 3D navigation and select SE isometric. Now, you can see that we are in isometric view. Select 3D box, click at first point and drag the mouse. First give length of 800 mm, press enter. Give width of 800 mm, press enter. Now give some height of 100 mm. So in this way we can create a 3D box. Again select box, first point, give length of 800 mm, press enter. Give width of 800 mm, press enter. Now select 2-point option. Select first point and second point to give the same height of this model. You can see that both the boxes have same height. Go to 3D rotate. Select this model. Press enter. Select this axis and give angle about which you want to rotate this model. Give 90 degree of angle and press enter. So in this way we can rotate any 3D model using 3D rotate. Press escape key from keyboard to exit from the command. Now to move this 3D model, select this model. Type M for move command. Select move. Select the point from which you want to move. Drag the mouse to position it and left click. So in this way we can move any 3D model using move command. Again go to box command. Select center option. Now select the center point from which you want to create a 3D box. Drag the mouse. Give length of 400 mm. Press enter. Width of 400 mm and give height of 60 mm. Press enter. In this way, we can create a 3D box from center point.